In this video, we will have to find measure of the indicated side and round the answer to the nearest whole number. We are given triangle ABC with C being marked as the right angle. Side BC is measuring 23 meters. Angle A is labeled with the measure of 36 degrees. And we have to find C, which is labeled with the question mark. Since we are given a measure of only one side, we cannot use a Pythagorean theorem to solve this problem. However, we can use trig because trig function of an angle calculates the ratio of two sides. Let's say side 1 out of side 2. Let's sort the information that we are given. We are given that angle A is 36 degrees, so let's say theta is equal to 36 degrees. We are given the measure of side BC, which is opposite to angle A. Since it's opposite to angle A, we can label it with lowercase a is equal to 23 meters. And we need to find side C, which is across from right angle, which makes it a hypotenuse. Now that we have everything figured out, we can make a decision on which trigonometric function to use. Since we are given the measure of the opposite side and we are looking for hypotenuse, the most useful trigonometric function will be sine of an angle, because it's a ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. Let's substitute and solve. We have sine of angle theta, which is equal to 36 degrees, equals to ratio of opposite side, and we are given opposite side is equal to 23 meters, divided by the hypotenuse. We don't know what it is, so let's leave it as letter C. If you know how to cross multiply, you can do so right now. Or in order to get this C out of the denominator, since it's doing the dividing, we can do the opposite. And the opposite of dividing by C is to multiply by C. Whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we want to do the same thing to the other side. Now we can cancel C in denominator on the right side with the C that we multiplied it by, and we get sine of 36 degrees times C is equal to 23 meters. C is being multiplied by sine of 36 degrees. The opposite would be to divide by sine of 36 degrees. Whatever we do to one side, we do the same thing to the other side. So sine of 36 divided by sine of 36, these two will cancel. So we get C is equal to 23 divided by sine of 36 degrees. And the units are meters. When you plug this into the calculator, make sure that calculator is in degree mode. And 23 divided by sine of 36, my calculator gives me about 39.1299. We need to round this answer off to nearest whole number, which means we need to round off to the 9 to the left of the decimal place. In order to perform rounding, we look at the number to the right of it. If it's 5 or more, we need to add 1. But since 1 is less than 5, we can just proceed with rounding off, which will give us just 39, and we drop everything else. So C is equal to 39 meters. And this would be our solution. That's all.